Distance has always been king in golf, but in Golf Drivers 2025, it's no longer just about raw power. Brands are combining AI face design, advanced carbon composites, and precision weighting to deliver explosive distance without sacrificing control. That means more fairways, higher launch, and confidence on every tee. This list matters because golfers in 2025 want high-performance golf drivers that actually help their real-world game, not just tour pros. Whether you're a beginner looking for forgiveness, an amateur chasing extra yards, or a low-handicap player demanding workability, there's something here for you. I've compared tech, feel, value, and consistency to bring you the best golf drivers you can buy right now. Number 5. Callaway Paradym AI Smoke Max Driver. Product overview. The Callaway Paradym AI Smoke Max is built for golfers who want effortless distance, high forgiveness, and modern AI-driven face technology in a confidence-inspiring package. Performance. On the course, this driver delivers impressive ball speed even on off-center hits. Launch is mid to high, spin stays controlled, and carry distance is extremely consistent. It's not the longest driver on perfect strikes, but it's incredibly reliable over 18 holes. Technology and features. The AI Smart Face is designed using real swing data from thousands of golfers, optimizing launch and spin across the entire face. A 360-degree carbon chassis saves weight and redistributes it for higher MOI, while adjustable perimeter weighting allows fine-tuning for draw or fade bias. Design and build. Sleek, modern, and premium. The smoky matte crown reduces glare, while subtle alignment cues inspire confidence. Build quality feels tour-level, with excellent attention to detail in both finish and materials. Weight and portability. Balanced overall weight makes it easy to swing for a wide range of players without feeling too light or overly aggressive. Durability warranty. Built with aerospace-grade carbon and titanium, backed by Callaway's solid manufacturer warranty and tour-proven durability. Pros: extremely forgiving of mishits. AI Face improves real-world distance, adjustable and easy to customize. Cons: not the absolute longest on pure strikes. Sound may feel muted to some players. Best for ideal use. Ideal for mid to high handicappers who want dependable distance and forgiveness without overthinking adjustments. Price and value. Premium pricing, but performance consistency justifies the cost. A strong value if forgiveness matters more than raw speed. Final verdict. A safe, powerful choice for golfers who want distance they can trust, not just chase. Number 4. TaylorMade QI10 Max Driver. Product overview. The TaylorMade QI10 Max focuses on extreme forgiveness and high launch, making it one of the easiest drivers to hit long in Golf Drivers 2025. Performance. This driver shines when contact isn't perfect. Ball speeds remain high, launch is effortless, and dispersion is impressively tight. You may not gain tour-level yardage, but you'll gain playable distance consistently. Technology and features. TaylorMade's Infinity Carbon Crown and face construction saves massive weight, pushing MOI to near limits. The redesigned face geometry maintains ball speed across the entire hitting area, while fixed rear weighting promotes straight, high-launching drives. Design and build. Clean, minimalistic, and confidence-boosting. The larger profile looks forgiving at address, and the premium carbon finish screams modern TaylorMade quality. Weight and portability. Slightly heavier head feel promotes stability and smooth tempo throughout the swing. Pros: extremely forgiving, high launch, easy distance, stable, confidence-inspiring head. Cons: limited adjustability, less aggressive look for low handicaps. Best for ideal use. Perfect for beginners to mid-handicap golfers prioritizing straight, long drives over shaping shots. Price and value. Mid to high price range, but excellent value for golfers seeking consistency and stress-free distance. Final verdict: a top-rated golf driver for forgiveness-first distance. Number 3. Titleist TSR2. Product overview. The Titleist TSR2 blends classic looks with modern speed, delivering balanced distance and control for serious golfers. Performance. TSR2 produces strong ball speed with a penetrating flight. It doesn't overspin, launches predictably, and feels incredibly stable through impact, especially for consistent ball strikers. Technology and features. The multi-plateau variable face thickness maximizes speed where golfers actually hit the ball. Improved aerodynamics reduce drag, while rear weighting boosts forgiveness without sacrificing traditional feel. Design and build. Timeless, compact, and elegant. This driver looks like a tour weapon and feels incredibly solid. No gimmicks, just precision engineering. Weight and portability. Well-balanced and neutral, suitable for controlled swing tempos. Pros: excellent feel and feedback, balanced distance and accuracy, consistent spin control. Cons: less forgiving than oversized drivers, not the flashiest tech. Best for ideal use. Best for low to mid handicappers who value control with distance. Price and value. Premium pricing but unmatched refinement makes it worth it for serious players. Final verdict: a high-performance golf driver for purists who want dependable power. Number 2. Cobra Darkspeed X Driver. Product overview. The Cobra Darkspeed X is engineered for explosive speed, combining aggressive aerodynamics with impressive forgiveness. Performance. Ball speeds are noticeably fast, especially on center strikes. Launch stays strong, spin is optimized, and carry distance is exceptional for its price range. It's not the longest driver on perfect strikes, but it's incredibly reliable over 18 holes. Technology and features. A streamlined aerodynamic shape reduces drag, while PWR bridge weighting lowers the CG for faster ball speed. Adjustable hosel adds flexibility for different swing styles. Design and build. Bold, stealthy, and aggressive. The dark finish and compact shape appeal to power-focused players. Pros: excellent distance potential, strong value pricing, adjustable loft and lie. Cons: slightly less refined sound, not as forgiving as max models. Best for ideal use. Ideal for golfers chasing maximum yards without paying flagship prices. Final verdict: a distance monster with excellent value for money. Number 1. Ping G430 Max 10K. Product overview. The Ping G430 Max 10K redefines forgiveness and distance, making it the most complete driver in Golf Drivers 2025. Performance. This driver delivers insane consistency. Even mishits stay long and straight, while center strikes produce effortless carry. Over a full round, it often outdrives faster drivers simply by staying in play. Technology and features. With a record-breaking 10,000 MOI, a forged T9S Plus face, and adjustable back weight, this driver maximizes ball speed and stability like no other. Design and build. Slightly larger profile, ultra-premium build, and unmistakable ping confidence at address. Pros: best forgiveness on the market, consistent real-world distance, fits almost every swing. Cons: larger look may not suit everyone. Premium price. Best for ideal use. Perfect for any golfer who wants maximum distance with minimal risk. Final verdict: the best golf driver of 2025. Distance, forgiveness, and confidence combined. Mini Buyer's Guide. Choosing the right driver depends on how you want your distance. If forgiveness matters most, the Ping G430 Max 10K is unbeatable. Want a balance of tech and feel? Titleist TSR2 delivers refined power. Budget-conscious golfers chasing speed should look at the Cobra Darkspeed X. Beginners and consistency seekers will love the TaylorMade QI10 Max, while Callaway's Paradym AI Smoke Max offers smart distance with AI precision. In Golf Drivers 2025, the best choice isn't always the longest, it's the one that keeps you confident on every tee. And that's our breakdown of the top 5 best golf drivers for distance in 2025. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment. Which driver would you put in your bag this year? Also, check out our next video on the best golf balls for extra yards. Until then, swing smooth and drive long.